Hello guys, this is Shreya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel BFF Blend. So basically this is DIY part 2 video, and recently I have uploaded DIY part 1 video also, and you guys showed lots and lots of love on that video. Thank you so much for that. And if you guys are new here to my channel, do subscribe it also. And without further ado, let's get into the video. video guys. If you enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you guys are new here, to subscribe my YouTube channel. And also if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestion to my videos, comment down here. If you liked anything, any DIY from my video, also comment here. And yeah, thank you. Till then, bye bye.